Sorry about that. The Southport end of the bridge is definitely obscured by snowfall. Woohoo! Well, I tell you what, you ask God for something, you better watch out. You better watch out when you ask God for snow. I don't care if it's in Florida, Nigeria, right at the fucking equator, boy. God can move mountains and make it snow in Florida. Oh my goodness. Wow. I got my furry pants on. If you can see those. It's getting dark out here. I might have to use my damn flashlight here. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can really get a good... Look at that. Oh yeah, this is quickly turning into an ice storm, I'm afraid. Oh God, I hope our pipes don't bust. That's all I gotta say. Wow, it is just coming down, y'all. Look at this. Look at this shit. Wow. Woo! Okay, let's go in and check on my animals. Make sure they're in safe and warm. And that's all, folks. At least for now. All right. Woo! Turn this motherfucker off. All right. Peace out.